All the PDF editing, calibrating, measuring tools in the market either require you to pay something for a free trial or a sign up or ask you to download it onto your computer, and it's really annoying. So I created a free Chrome extension that lets you view the plans, calibrate, measure them straight from the browser. All you got to do is upload, click, open this PDF in PDFlow, and bang, you've got everything here. You can set the scale, for example, set it here 18.9, call it 18.9, and now you can draw areas, measure areas. You get the full summation here as well. You can get grades, you can get part lengths, you can add a signature, you can white out text, and you can add your own text. You can highlight, you can change the colors, whatever you want. You can add a watermark, draft, apply to all pages, draft, and furthermore, you've also got quick calc. So this tool is perfect for an engineer, architect, planner, or if you're buying your house, you've got quick stormwater calculations to cross-check some pipes, rainwater tanks that you need. You've got your general calcs with the slope, areas, volumes, cut fill, quick finance calculations, loan repayments, NPVs, conversions, basic conversions, some survey calcs, and you can do some basic editing. So it's a quick and easy tool. Let me know if you have any feedback or comments.